In this Oracle database tutorial, we will learn what data files are. Oracle database physically stores the data in the table space in data files. Data files in the database are saved in the DBA_data_files view object. We can see data files with this query in Oracle SQL Developer. Each table space consists of one or more data files. A database must have the system and SYSAUX table spaces. The system table space contains the data dictionary, a set of tables that contains database metadata. There are two types of data files, temporary and permanent. A permanent table space contains persistent schema objects. A temporary table space contains schema objects only for the duration of a session. Temporary table space is used for operations such as sort and hash. Temp file information is shown in the data dictionary view DBA_temp_files. However, temp file information is not available in DBA_data_files. Every data file is either online or offline. Data file can be taken to offline or online mode with the alter database command. You may take data files offline for many reasons, including performing offline backups or block corruption. Oracle determines some special fields when creating a database data file. The name of this special field is header. The data file header contains metadata about the data file such as its size and checkpoint SCN. SCN stands for System Change Number. It is an internal timestamp value produced by Oracle to ensure consistency. The data file contains free and used fields along with the header. Free domains may contain data that has been previously used and subsequently deleted. These areas are often not reusable. The table space may need to be serviced before it can be reused. Free areas may be in areas that have not been used before. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.